This is a large size Sylvie from Gucci, and this one's covered with very luxurious python leather, and this one is in gorgeous condition. And it also comes with a strap. You can carry this one crossbody, and you can also carry this one only in hand or adjust its length to carry it on your shoulder. And let me show this one to you. You can see this one. The hardware is very shiny, very shiny, and you don't see any flaws of the python bag at all. See the hardware, very shiny, and you can see all the corners, very gorgeous, right? Very pretty. You do see some tiny glue stain, I think, glue stain on it,